Good morning students. Today's topic is simplify the fraction. Before explaining the question, first, how we will simplify the fraction? There is some rules which we have to follow. BODMAS rule. That you know, the first, according to the BODMAS rule, bracket has to be solved. Priority wise, curly bracket, a small bracket, curly bracket, big bracket. Second, of operation will be solved. Then third, division will be solved. Fourth, multiplication will be solved. Then fifth, addition. Then sixth, subtraction will be solved. Now one more thing before solving this question. First, some points which you have to keep it in your mind. How we will remove the brackets. Suppose in the small bracket 1/2 written, and before the bracket if division sign is there, so how you will remove this bracket? So we will write division as it is and whatever written in the bracket write as it is, minus 1/2. Before the bracket, if multiplication sign is there, so we will write multiplication and remove the bracket and write as it is whatever written in the bracket. So multiply 1/2. If before the bracket addition sign is there, that time what we will do, whatever addition sign will be there, that time whatever written in the bracket as it is we will write. Addition will not come because here the multiplication sign is hidden. So minus plus minus. So minus 1/2. Before the bracket, if suppose minus sign will be there, that time whatever written in the bracket, the sign always get changed. So this will be plus 1/2. Before the bracket, if any number will be there, so that time this number will be multiplied by this fraction. So minus 1 into 1 minus 1. 2 2s are 4. So minus 1/4. So these rules we will follow whenever we will simplify the fraction. Now come to the question. Our question is given in mixed fraction. First, always remember whenever the question is given in mixed fraction, that has to be converted into improper fraction. 3 4s are 12. That will be added to the 1. So 13/4 division, then curly bracket. Again here mixed fraction. So 4 1s are 4. That will be added to the 1. So this will be 5/4 minus 1/2. Small bracket. Again this is in mixed fraction. So convert this into improper fraction. So 2 2s are 4. That will be added to the 1. So this gives 5/2 minus 1/4 as it is we will write 1/6 as it is we will write, then bracket, small bracket close, then curly bracket close. This is the first step. Okay, what is the next step? According to the BODMAS rule, first we have to solve small bracket and rest of the fractions as it is we will write. So 13/4, the other operations as it is we will write division, then curly bracket, then 5/4 minus 1/2, then solve small bracket. In the small bracket, see only one operation is there. There is no other operation. So that see only one operation, subtraction is there. So we will subtract this fraction together. Okay. So how we will subtract? The denominators are not same. So we will find first LCM. 2, 4, 6. What is the LCM? 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are. Again 2 1, 3. So 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. The LCM is 12. below the line, we will draw the line. Below the line, we will write LCM. This LCM will be divided by denominator 2. So what number you will get? 6. That 6 will be multiplied by numerator 5. So you will get 30. Then again, this LCM will be divided by denominator 4. So what number you will get? 3. That will be multiplied by numerator 1. So we get 3. Again, now this LCM will be divided by denominator 6. So you will get 3. That will be multiplied by numerator 1. So you will get here 2. Okay. Now curl bracket closed. 13 upon 4 as it is we will write division. Then curl bracket 5 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2. Now solve the bracket. 30 minus 3, 27. 27 minus 2, 25 upon 12. Bracket, small bracket close, and then curl bracket. Now 13 upon 4 as it is we will write. Then division, then curl bracket 5 upon 4. Now I told you how to remove bracket. Before explaining this question, I already explained how to remove the bracket. Now already we solved the bracket. Now remove the bracket. How you will remove the small bracket? See, before the bracket, minus 1 upon 2 is here. Number is there. So I told you whenever before the bracket number will be there, that means there is no sign here. So multiplication sign is here. So we will multiply it. So you know numerator will be multiplied and denominator will be multiplied. So after multiplying 25 into minus 1 minus 25 and 12 into 2 24. Then curl bracket. Okay. Now 13 upon 4 as it is we will write division. In the curl bracket also only one operation is there. There is no other operation. So we have to subtract. Again you know how to subtract. The denominators are not same. We will find LCM. So 4, 24. What is the LCM? 2 2s are 4. 2 12s are. Again 2 1s are. 2 6. 2 3. 3 1s are. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this will be 24. So the LCM is 24. So below the line we will write the LCM 24. Now I told you the method which we have to follow here, the fraction method that which we have to follow here. The 24 is a LCM. This LCM will be divided by denominator 4 first. So what number you will get? 6. That 6 will be multiplied by numerator 5. So you will get 30. Clear? Now again this 24 LCM will be divided by denominator 24. So after when you will divide this both, you will get 1. That will be multiplied by numerator. So 25 into 1, 25. So you will get 25. Now curl bracket closed. (13 upon 4) division. In the curl bracket, solve this bracket. 13 minus 25. 5 upon 24. Then curl bracket close. 13 upon 4. Now I told you before, now remove the bracket. How you will remove the bracket? Before the bracket, division sign is there. So I told you division as it is we will write, and number 5 upon 24 also write as it is. Now 13 upon 4. How you will divide two fraction? That you know, the first fraction that is known as dividend, that we will write as it is. This division will turn into multiplication, and 5 upon 24 is known as divisor. We will write the reciprocal of 5 upon 24. So this will be 24 upon 5. Now cancel it. how you will multiply two fractions that you know, cancellation method. So 4 and 24, the numerator and denominator will be cancelled. Numerator and numerator will not be cancelled. Numerator and denominator will be cancelled in a either in a cross direction or in a vertical direction. So 4 and 24, see, the common factor is 2 and 4, but I am cancelling it by 4. This both number is coming in 4's table, so the common factor is 4. So I will cancel it by 4. 4 ones are 4, 6 are 24. Now see here, this will not be cancelled more because 13 and 5 there is no common factor. 6 and 5 also, the both is not coming in same table, so there is no common factor. So what we will do? Denominator will be multiplied and numerator will be multiplied. So 13 6 is 78 and 5 ones are 5. The answer is 78 upon 5. But our answer is coming in improper fraction. The all question is given in mixed fraction, so answer should be in mixed fraction. So again, convert this into mixed fraction. So when you will convert this into mixed fraction, you will get 15 3 upon 5. When you will divide 78 by 5, so you will get 15 3 upon 5. This is the answer. Thank you.